Argan oil benefits for hair and skin. Can you imagine that in this world there is a fruit that is so delicious and nutritious that goats will literally climb trees to get to them? Inside the delectable fruit is a little nut, which gives us argan oil. For many, many years, those that reside in the Argan forest in Morocco have extracted this oil, which serves many purposes. Argan oil is chock full of vitamin A and vitamin E, both of which have healing properties. It also contains linoleic acid, antioxidants and omega-6 fatty acids. If you own any high-end cosmetics or hair supplies, you will likely find argan oil listed in their ingredients. While a bottle of 100% argan oil is pricey, you will only need to use 1 or 2 drops a day, so it will last you a very long time. In today's video, we will discuss our top 10 ways to implement argan oil into your daily beauty routine. 1. Skin toner. Argan oil can help to keep your skin clean. To use, begin with 1 cup of boiling water. Pour the water over a green tea bag and let steep for 7 to 10 minutes. Then, remove the tea bag and bring the tea to room temperature. Next, add 1 or 2 drops of your favorite essential oil. We would recommend orange, lemon, or tea tree. 2. Nighttime moisturizer. Because of the vitamin A and vitamin E that are in argan oil, it is great to use as a nighttime moisturizer. The oil absorbs into your skin quickly and will not leave your skin oily. 3. Acne. Argan oil is high in linoleic acid, which helps to reduce inflammation in your skin caused by acne, rashes, bug bites and skin infections. It can even lower the sebum levels in your body to combat oily skin. 4. Exfoliating. Purchasing exfoliating products in the store can be pricey. Luckily, we discovered a do-it-yourself exfoliator using argan oil that not only removes dead skin cells but also fights signs of aging. 5. Razor bumps and burn. An issue that plagues both men and women alike is razor burn. Argan oil can soothe the discomfort and heal the inflamed skin. Use 1 or 2 drops of argan oil and massage into the affected area. The area will heal quickly and you will also reduce the chances of getting ingrown hairs. 6. Stretch marks. Argan oil can help to make your skin more elastic and therefore can help to prevent stretch marks from forming. This is because the vitamin A and vitamin E help to replenish and moisturize your skin. You can accomplish this by using 2 to 3 drops of argan oil to massage into the skin of your stomach, hips, thighs, or any other area of concern. 7. Lip conditioner. Argan oil can help the skin of your lips as well. Simply use 1 or 2 drops as a chapstick substitute and wipe away any excess. The oil will heal cracked lips and keep them protected from the elements. 8. Leave-in conditioner and styling. As we discussed earlier, argan oil is not greasy and is a perfect addition to your hair styling as a leave-in conditioner. The oil will tame your hair, protect your hair against the elements and repair any split ends.